Data analysis of Superstore in order to find the key insights from that. A problem statement is to find what are the low performing products, ineffective discounts, regional wise performance, subcategory weakness, cost inefficiencies. And the data contains shipping mode, segment, country, city, state, region, category, subcategory, sales in the sense amount of products being sold, quantity, discount, and profit. So our dashboard consists of four sliders, namely category, subcategory, shipping mode, and segment. Then we have five pages. The first page consists of sales data. So our total quantity being sold is around 38,000, and total sales is done is 2 million. Total profit we gain is 286,000. So here, while comparing the total sales by segment, we could see that consumer is at the first place, corporate is at the second place, and home office is at the third place, which is very low, and that is of 17.84%. So here we need to concentrate. We need to concentrate on home office segment. While seeing the total sales by shipping, we could see that same day shipping is very low as compared with other shipping modes. Then on comparing total sales with category, we have three categories, that is technology, furniture, and office supply. So the first one comes here is technology. We have 36.4% here, and the second one is furniture, and the third one is office supply. Comparing the categories, almost all the three are around 30%, sharing equally. Then this slide consists of data of profit. So total profit by each segment. We could see that consumer is at the top and home office is again low. There are only 2% different from the previous slide. And coming on to the category, we could see here furniture is very low. But in the previous sales, we could see that all the three categories were shared almost 30, nearing 30. But here the sales were equal. But here the profit, when it comes to profit, the furniture is very low, and that is 6.44%. So we need to focus on the furniture because it has some problem here. Then moving on to the next slide, this dashboard consists of the impact of discount on sales and profit. We have in the y-axis we have a discount in both the charts, but in the x-axis we can see sum of sales and profit. So we'll discuss this in the dashboard while seeing the dashboard. Again, sales and profit overview. So here is the overview of all the products. What is the sales amount, then what is the profit that had made is mentioned in the green bar. And so the first page of our dashboard is sales. Here every chart is being created by using sales. So as I said already, while checking with the furniture, we could see the consumer are the top buyer and home office are the third or the least. Then in furnitures, we could see chairs are the first selling product and furnishing is the least one. And in the region wise, we could find west is the top one and south has the least value. And same day delivery has the least value furniture as compared standard class has the highest value. Then moving on to the profit page. The profit analysis, we could see here the furniture is very low. In the previous page, we saw that furniture had at least nearer to 30%, but here it is low. So the detail about this can be viewed in the discount page. And here the top profit is by copiers and the least is done by the table where there is no profit, only loss. It is of 18,000 loss by tables. So this is because of the discount. We could see tables, bookcases, supplies are all in loss. So it is all because of discount. We have to see about discount. So coming on to the profit versus discount, we could see here the discount is almost 80%, but here the profit is in minus. So the profit didn't work here. The discount didn't work here. So due to this high discount, we got much loss. And here there is no discount, but it is around, we got profit around 2,800. Here the profit is 1,015 and the discount is 20. You can see due to high profits, see furniture cases, due to this there is a huge loss. So here on sales profit overview, we could see here the minimum profit that is loss, which is 6,600 is the minimum loss we have, and the maximum profit is only 8,400. So here, so we have listed subcategories. That is product wise, we have listed the sales and the profit. We could see the accessories. The accessories are of two discounts. They are providing two discount, that is 0% discount and 20% discount, where you could see on 0% we could see 35,000, you could see profit, and while giving 20% we could see only 7,000 as a profit. And sales here it is done on 0%, it is sales is more. But here, so we are considering appliances. In appliances there are four types of discounts, that is 0% discount, 10%, 20%, and 80% discount is being given. So on considering 0% discount, the sales is very high, 78,000 it is done, nearly 70,000 is done, and their profit is 23,000. Okay. Next we are considering 10% discount. Here it is 4,000. The sales is 4,000 and the profit is around 1,000. And considering 20% discount, the sales is 22,000 and its profit is 2,000. But on considering 80%, we could see only 3,000 is the sales, and we could see very low. It is not even low; it is lost because it's a 9 minus 9. So it's just a loss. 9,000 being lost due to huge discount on appliances. So checking with that, we could see here 20,000 is lost in missions. After that, here in binders, it is 17,000 lost due to 70% discount. Again, in tables, there is a loss of 16,000 due to 40% discount. And the final page is viewing all the non-profiting discounts that is given. So as we said, appliances has very low sales as well as it has much loss. Then we could see the first one that is causing much loss is binder, and after that we could see 20,000 lost in missions. Then we could see again in binders by giving 70% of discount, and then in tables due to 40% of discount we could see 16,000 being lost. So by reducing all the discounts, we could manage to make profits, and also focusing all on and we could try to focus on all weak points, that is home office. We could give some offers to push them, and we have to reduce surely the discount on home office. So we have to reduce the discounts given to the furniture that made a huge loss. We could concentrate on south region. The main key insights from this data analysis is we could see sales by the segment is the top one is consumer, which is 51%, and seeing the same profit we could see 46%, nearing by 4 to 5%, and corporate it is 30 in sales and 32 in profit. Home office we could see 17, which is less here, but in the profit we could see 21%. On same category, we could see technology is the first one, and then in sales also it is first. Then furniture is in second place of 32.3%, and moreover office supply is also nearer to furniture by just 1%. But here the furniture, the sales here it was in the second place, but in profit it came to the third place and also very less. This is the impact of discount given to the furniture, which was so high, so that is why there is a huge loss here. That we could see in this chart on comparing tables. The first one we could see tables is the very highest loss giving product, but in the sales we could see it is in the fourth place, and we could see there are binders of two discounts, which is 70 and 70 and 80%. They are giving discount here. This made a loss. Even in appliances, 80% made 9,000 loss, as we already said. Tables, supplies, storage, phones, machines, furniture, chairs, bookcases, all together made a huge loss. Thank you.